Hey guys, today we're making a cheese pie and I'm using my homemade whole wheat pastry dough, which I will be showing you. So if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Yes guys, so what we have here today is my pastry dough set aside. Alright, it's easy to put together and it's yummy, filling with cheese, eggs, and milk. Let me tell you, this pie is similar to a quiche. We have eggs, black pepper, red pepper flakes, and some salt, some chives, and some red bell pepper. I also have some sharp cheddar cheese, some milk, and this is my homemade whole wheat pastry dough that I did made beforehand. So you know by now how to place them into your pan. And once you place them into the pan, we're going to go ahead and season up our eggs with the salt, the black pepper, and the chili flakes. And if you do not like anything too spicy, then I am going to ask you to leave that out. And if you hear a song, that's all right. I'm close to my other phone. And check the description box below. You're going to have all the ingredients and details there. As you can see, I'm using some milk into this egg because we have to put them together, all right? This is what brings in that richness. I'm using some chives and also some of my red bell pepper that I did chop up. I didn't use all. I'm going to leave some for garnishing. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of my grated cheese into this mixture. And then I'm going to give it a nice little stir, making sure that everything is well incorporated. Once I'm done incorporating it, then I'm going to go ahead. And at this time, you can take either some kind of scoop. I use my measuring cup. You can use a ladle. Depends on what you want to use to fill your pans. But before we do that, I'm going to add some grated cheese right at the bottom there. And you want to pour your mixture in, but you do not want to fill it completely up. You want to fill it up up to 3/4 way. Because you know when you pop it into the oven, it tends to rise, right? So this is how we're going to fill it here. Just like this. I did set my oven to 350 degrees. And once I'm done filling it, I'm going to add some more grated cheese. And then I'm going to also top it with some more of my bell peppers. It's that simple, guys. Pop it into the oven and let it bake for 12 to 15 minutes. And I'm telling you my time because it all depends on your oven's temperature. Now it's done after 15 minutes, but my son loves it when it's brown, so I pop it back into the oven for another 3 to 4 minutes, and there you have it. Once it's cool, just go right ahead and serve it. Similar to quiche, very tasty and nice. So go give it a try, and thank you for watching. God bless.